So I used the title Heckle and Jekyll in place of two other jokesters or pranksters or people that go against certain things, and their names in the Bible goes by the name of Janus and Jambres. When you don't adhere to his instructions and sit down and hew yourself, when he does it, it is not pretty. But we, being the viewer of such bizarre antics, we must know this for ourselves to avoid the Heckle and Jekylls of today, to not be the joke of tomorrow, not be the laughing stock of tomorrow. Just go ask Timothy. Not the first one, but the second one. Slide down to number 3 and indulge in 8 through 10. And you will see exactly what Moses had to go through. The minute you understand this, you will begin to get your real joy back. The more you love to be entertained, when the entertainer's season is over, you'll just be looking for somebody else to make you laugh. The joke's not on them. It's on you.